Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 4. Today we are going to start new lesson number 5, matter, solid, liquid and gas. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to define the states of matter and the properties of different states of matter, and you will be able to identify the changes in the states of matter and the terms solute, solvent and solution. So children, let's see first what is matter. Everything around us is matter. So in our surroundings, whatever the things we see, they are made up of matter. So everything around us is matter. Humans, animals, plants, cars, buildings, bicycles, furniture, books, pens, pencils, colors and food are all examples of matter. So actually, what is the definition of matter? Matter is anything, it can be anything that has mass and which occupies space. Okay, adding more matter to an object increases its mass. So what is matter? Anything around us, whatever the thing is, if it is having mass and it is occupying the space, that is called matter. Okay, everything is made up of matter. Adding more matter to an object increases its mass. It makes the object heavier. Means if we add more matter to anything, that it will become heavy and its size will also increase. Adding more mass also increase the size of the object. This causes the object to occupy more space. Okay, so let us understand this through an activity. So we are talking about the matter. We are saying that everything which is present around us, it is made up of matter, and whatever the things which has mass and occupy space, that they are matter. So let's perform this. Uh, the aim of this activity is to the mass of a substance increases when more matter is added. Okay, here we need a glass, water and few stones. So what we are going to do is hold the glass in your hand, fill the glass with water up to the brim. Does the glass feel heavier now? So for empty glass we are filling with water, so it feels heavy. Then drop a few stones gently into the glass. What do you observe? See, when we add water, it will become heavy, obviously. Then we are adding some more stones to that glass slowly. So what do we see? The water will overflow. Because of the weight of the stones, water will overflow. The mass of the empty glass increased when more water was added to it. It made the glass heavier first. The glass had no empty space when we filled it by water up to the brim. The stones dropped into the glass made space from them by pushing some water out of the glass. So water overflows from the glass because it got heavier because of adding more stones. So the volume of the water increases. So children, to understand matter in a more better way, let's see some examples. Here is a picture that one girl is there, Sophia, is sitting on a chair made of wood. One girl, her name is Sophia, she is sitting on chair which is made up of wood. Ali is kicking a football that has air filled inside it. Deepika is drinking water. So here, wood, water and air are different forms of matter. Is all matter the same? What do you think? All matters are same or different? There are different states of matter. So here we can see different states of matter, as a girl is sitting on wooden chair. So wood is material matter here, and football that has air, that is in the form of gas, and wood is in the form of solid. And Deepika is drinking water. So water is in liquid form. So here different materials, different matters are in different states. Okay, thus matter exists in nature in different forms. They are called states of matter. Okay children, let's see states of matter in detail. Matter is composed of tiny particles called molecules. When we are saying that everything is made up of matter, so matter is further divided into molecules. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. They are arranged themselves in different ways to form different states of matter. So these molecules which are present in the matter, they are arranged in different ways to form different states of matter. Matter exists in nature as solids, liquids, and gases. So these are the three basic states of matter, as we have seen just now: wood as solid, air as gas, and water as liquid. So here first we will see in detail molecules in solid. Molecules in a solid are very tightly packed. Here you can see the molecules of solid. They are tightly packed, tightly arranged. Okay, there are no empty spaces. Therefore, a given solid will always have a fixed shape and size. Why? Because there is no space between the molecules to move around. Therefore, a given solid will always have a fixed shape and size. Examples of solid: wood, cloth, plastics, and paper. All are solids. So what are the main properties of solids? They have fixed shape, they have definite volume, they always occupy the same amount of space. In solids, there is no enough space for the molecules to move around. So solids do not flow. Solids do not flow. These are the properties of solids. Let's see liquids. The arrangement of molecules in the liquids are not so tightly packed. They are not as tightly packed as in solids. There is space between molecules to move around and slide past one another. This gives them the ability to flow, so they can pour from one container to another. It is also the reason why we cannot hold liquids in our hand. Why we cannot hold liquids in our hand? Because the molecules will be moving around and slide past one another. So we cannot hold it as solids. Okay. Here water, milk, juices, cooking oil, petrol and diesel are all liquids. And what the properties of liquid are? Liquids can flow. They can be poured. Liquids do not have a fixed shape. They take the shape of the container they are put in. Liquids change their shape but have a definite volume. Okay. Now gases. The arrangement of molecules in gases are the molecules are loosely packed. Molecules in gases are loosely packed. They randomly move around and hence gases have no fixed shape. Gases fill up the entire space in the container they are in, so they have no fixed space. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen are examples of gases. Here are some more properties. Gases are often invisible, so unable to see. They do not have a fixed shape. Gases do not have a definite volume. They fill up whatever space is available to them. Air is a mixture of many gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Okay children, so that's it for today's video. We have seen the states of matter and their properties. In the next video, we'll see the change of state and the term solid, the term solution, solute, and solvent. Then till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.